This is the Kizan Electronics Pathblazer Headlight Modulator I'm going to install on my Goldwing GL 1800. It's January the 26th and just came back from a ride. This is going to be a simple installation. It needs to go into a plug, which is back in there. I don't know. Oh, there, you could see that. I've already disconnected the plug. Not too hard to get my hand in there. And then it's just to put the cable in between the plug as a plug and play. And then I think I'm going to run my optical sensor, which tells the unit that there is daylight outside, so I can keep on flashing. I think I'll just mount it under this plastic cover, which already houses some wiring and also my wire that I'm using to plug my phone in. So shouldn't be too hard to do. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done, and we'll test it out, see if it modulates. It will only modulate with the high beams on, and if you're on low beams it will not modulate, so you can control that, and it's also controlled by the light sensor. It's legal in 50 states. So Texas is one of them, and we'll see how we do. I'll check with you in a little bit. As you can see, headlights are flashing in high beam, and they stop as soon as I remove the light from the light sensor. So it's working, and they won't be on all the time. I plan on, see, they just stopped when I took the flashlight away. I plan on just using them going through intersections and just to warn people that I'm here in case they don't see me, and just to be a little safer. It's good to be aware when it's good for other drivers to be aware of you when you're out on the motorcycle. That's the light sensor up here. As I mentioned, I ran it through and underneath these cables, or underneath the cable holder, plastic. And then it ran here. Got a little excess loop there for any pulls I might have. And I did go lock to lock without any snagging. I may try a little bit better cable management if I need to. On a final note, these are the little cable clamps that I used, and got a little piece of sticky on the back. They say clean your area first, hold it for 3 seconds. Pushing down on the area, they'll hold to metal or plastic, and they come in very handy. Got a bag of looks like 100 pieces off of Amazon. Not sure, I guess you can't read that, but if I could still find the link on that, I'll post it in the video. And they work out very well. They've held up, and real pleased. You just press down. We'll put the cable in first, press down, they click into place, and you're done. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.